Hi everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how you could get Adobe Photoshop completely for free and do it legally. Now if you search this on YouTube, you'll see a lot of videos that show you how to get Adobe Photoshop CS6, but they take you to illegal downloads, and this is not the video to do that. If you want those videos, you could search on how to do that. This is a video to show you how to do it legally, and I'll show you a couple of different ways. So the most obvious way is going to this link here. So I'll leave this link to the description. And here, Adobe actually gives you a full trial, a 30-day trial, no watermark. So if you click that trial, it'll take you to this page. You could sign up. In this case, let me sign in. I already have an account. And then that will bring you to this free trial page where you could just download it using the Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, if you don't have the Creative Cloud, it'll show you how to download it. And this is where that gets you. It'll get you this icon here on your Mac or your PC. And here you'll see Photoshop and you could click try. Now, I already have it. It's already open, in fact, and this is where I'm using right now. And once you get that 30-day trial, you could always renew the trial once you sign up for the trial. But I'm going to show you a different way how to get it completely for free lifetime. It just won't be the newest version of Photoshop. Let me just quickly show you what I have here. So if I press the Buy Now button, this is the one I have, all the apps. So I get all the apps that you see here for about $50 a month. So I use Premiere, Photoshop, I use After Effects, I use InDesign and Lightroom from time to time. So all these are included for one price, or if you want Photoshop, is $20 a month. But I'll leave a link in the description to the free trial. Let's look at the other way to do this. So the other way to do it is using the link that I have in the description below. Now you're getting this for free. So there's no reason for Adobe to give you the new one for free because they charge you 20 bucks a month. But what they do is they give you CS2 for free, which is a very good version of Photoshop that lets you do a lot. Now it's not the latest version and it's a bit old, but it works really well and it'll get you started for Photoshop for free. So if you go to this link again in the description, press accept here, and it will give you the option for Mac or for Windows to download CS2. So to do that, I'm gonna press this drop down English, and it gives you the serial number. It will be downloaded. It's not on the cloud. It's an app that will be on your computer. So all you have to do is download it here. So you could get the Creative Suite here if you want, or you could come down here to Photoshop CS2, for Mac or Windows, again, serial number here. So let me go ahead and download it for the Mac. The process is exactly the same on a PC, and it's gonna take a little bit of time, 8 minutes here, because it's a large file. It's about half a gig, so make sure you have the space, and when it's downloaded, I'll show you how to install it. Okay, the download is complete. I'm gonna go ahead and open that zip file. It's a DMG file because I'm on a Mac. If you're on a PC, it's gonna be a .exe file. Let's go ahead and open that file. And this is what it looks like. We want to basically install this app. So go ahead and double click and install the app. And if you get a message like this where it won't open it for you, all you have to do is control click on a Mac and then press open, and it'll give you an option to open it. That's just a security option within a Mac. Then I'll get this installation process. I'll just go through this real quick. It's pretty straightforward. Now, if you're on a brand new computer, this might not work for you and the free trial may be the only option. So go ahead and go through the install process. Here's a document on how to install. I'm not gonna walk you through that. I'm actually on a brand new iOS on a Mac that won't let me install a software that's a little bit old like the CS2. So I would have had to use the free trial or buy the software. Those are the only other options. Again, if you search this, you will get a lot of videos that show you how to get a cracked version of Photoshop CS6. But if you want to do it legally, you could either do the trial version on the Adobe website that I have linked on below for 30 days. You could even renew that with a different email if you wanted to use it past the 30 days, or you could try the CS2 option here that lets you get Adobe CS2, Adobe Creative Cloud, or Adobe Photoshop CS2. Or once you're satisfied with Photoshop, you could check out the new version of Photoshop. In this case, it's CC 2018 that I have open here. I hope you found this useful. I have over 30 Photoshop tutorials on my channel completely for free, so make sure you subscribe and check out those videos. And thanks so much for watching, and as always, I hope to see you on the next video.